Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a cocktail bar and you're looking to build a website for your business, then keep watching this video because you're in the right place. Multi-site is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do once you've registered an account is to search for your market. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to go ahead and search for my markets, cocktail bar. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our cocktail bar so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and leave the type of business as restaurants and go ahead and click on continue. Let Marty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together quickly. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the wonderful cocktails you're serving up in your bar, and you want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content. You can do that. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. Let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and put in our company email address as well as our phone number. Let's go ahead and tick this box to display our email address on our website. I'm now going to go ahead and pop my phone number in as well as my physical location, my street address. The great thing about that physical location that I've just put in, when your customers click on it, when your website is live, automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Under Update Social Links is where you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to Update Logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Once your logo's been uploaded, if you want to go ahead and crop it to fit into the section better, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, go ahead and click on the little pencil. I'm now going to go ahead and save, and once I've done so, I can make it bigger and smaller by clicking on these buttons on the side. Now with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors for you for your website. If you want to change them, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So many to choose from. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and save that. Now, under each section, you can click on updates and change the content to suit your needs. Each button can link to various places. This currently says order online, but maybe you just wanted to say view our menu so people can see what cocktails you are serving up, maybe some bar snacks. Go ahead and choose link. You can link to another website if you offer an online ordering system and action like click to call directions, click to email. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file with your menu of your different bar snacks and cocktails you are serving up. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that. For each section that has images, you can browse your device and upload one of your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and search for various keywords. Now, over here under this section is where you can put in your trading hours for your cocktail bar. Once you put them in, they will be displayed in this section over here. For each section, as I said, go ahead and click on update section and make the necessary changes. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet for your business, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful for building a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your cocktail bar. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features, or any questions or concerns you need some assistance with, do comment below or drop us a message. We'd really love to hear your feedback.